Hey y'all, it's Kylie. We're going to give my new Magic Bullet a try. It is basically the same other than the fact that the cup that it came with has a little handle. This was 20 bucks at Walmart. It came with the actual blender part itself, the motor, whatever you want to call it. This is how much ice I'm going to use. I'm going to use the rest of the protein shake that I've got. Some coffee here. I need to refill this. There's some skinny syrup. And I'm going to do half a scoop. I'm just going to do half a scoop of this protein powder. It's not necessary. I'm not even going to do half. I'm just doing, yeah, about half. Okay. Then I'm going to put the lid on. My other one was given out for a little bit, so I'm not surprised. But guys, I love this thing, and I knew I didn't want anything else. Y'all, I'm stubborn. I'm a little bit set in my ways, and I just loved the old one, and I just wanted the exact same thing I had. So, I'm just getting used to it still. So, forgive me, y'all. I'm just still getting used to it, okay? It's about the same. About the same. Yep, 10 out of 10. It's perfect. It is perfect. People have said it's not that powerful. Y'all, it does exactly what I need it to do. It blended up the ice. It's perfect. Perfect! And it was 20 bucks. And honestly, even if it only lasts me 2 years, my other one lasted me almost 2 years, and I had gotten it for 16 bucks. Best $16 ever, because I used it almost every single day for almost 2 years, and I got a good use out of it. So 10 out of 10. I'm a Magic Bullet girl for life. I just love it. Okay, love you guys.